Trying to keep the tips of the pedals off the table. That way they don't get little boogers on them and cause heat marks. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making a custom order. I have a lily and a bottle opener, turtle-shaped bottle opener that I need to make, and a coworker of mine wanted one, so I'm going to go ahead and put that guy together now and bring you guys along. As you can see, I got my super precise and highly advanced designed template here to make the shells. It's a circle. It's all proprietary. It's all proprietary. It's all proprietary. By the way, you're not allowed to steal this idea. Hand tools, because I don't want to kick the compressor on. It's really loud and scary. It's easier to record when I'm doing everything by hand. Alrighty, well, I got the shell cut. I'm going to go ahead and cut the fins in the head real fast. Alright, well, I've got most of my pieces cut, but I am missing one thing before I weld this all together. Thankfully, I have made a template for it, and that is not in here. Alright, well, it turns out I lost my template, so I have to draw a bottle opener by hand now. That sucks, but I'll figure it out. The first time I've had to do this, first time was when I created the template. But now that that's gone, I have to do it by hand again. Let's hope I remembered how to do this. I think I did. Alrighty, well, I've got all the pieces for this turtle. I'm going to go ahead and weld this thing up now. Got a fucking burn through, damn it! Fuck this turtle. Sorry, Derek. Ow! Fuck! Alright, well, I smacked it a little too hard to get it unstuck with the slag hammer, and now I don't know where it's at, but I'll find it. A little bit. Unfortunately, there's not a ton that I can do about these color marks on the welds, but I will pop this guy in my tempering oven in order to get the perfect colors for the majority of the body. And Trying to keep the tips of the pedals off the table. That way they don't get little boogers on them and cause heat marks that I don't intend to put there. Gotta remember to keep the back of the stem grounded. Lily's looking pretty good. Got that thing drying now, so just gotta wait on that. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps out. Other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless.